Alright, so today I'm going to be installing these LED turn signals on my bike. Right now I just got the stock halogen bulbs in there. Super simple process, I'll show you. First thing you're going to want to do is pop off the lenses. There should be a little slot. Slide a screwdriver in there and just twist it. Let me set the camera down while I do this. So to take the old bulb out, you just push it in, turn it counterclockwise, like so. Should just come right out. Okay, and with these new LEDs, you don't want to touch the LED portion with your fingers. The oils on your hands will mess it up. But as you can see, this end right here is exactly like the halogen bulb, so just push it in and turn it clockwise. Like so. And we're gonna go ahead and just leave it hanging like that so we can turn the bike on and test it. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the other side installed right now as well. Alright, so now we got them both installed. They're just hanging. Let's go ahead and turn on the bike. Alright, so that's working. That's how it should be. And the blinker works on this side. Let's check this side. This one is working. And the blinker's working. Alright, damn, that's bright. So now, let's go ahead and turn the bike off. Now from here, we just kind of coil it up. I'm gonna set the camera down, but you just turn it counterclockwise and then put the lens on it to hold it in place. Like so. Let me give you a shot of it on. Oh, that looks awesome. Go ahead and put the other one on. We'll do the back. All right, let's take a look. Ooh, doggy. Let's turn the hazards on for a minute. Hell yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and install the back.
The audio got messed up right here. All I was saying was you pretty much do the exact same thing to the back as you do the front.
Cap off. You got the old bulb, replace it. And just like that, we got LEDs all around the bike now. Let me turn these on. One more walk around. They're blinding, you can't even stare right into them. And the back ones, of course, you can't even see them unless you put the hazard or the turn signal on. Show you. And that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks.